Here's the thing about 3D model generation right now. You're stuck. Stuck between paid platforms with paywalled features where you will run out of free credits in an instant, and open source and open weight models that are too hard to self-host or use it the way you want it to, the simple and easy way. Introducing 3DeeSmith. 3DeeSmith is different. It's the Linux of 3D generation. Powerful, open, and free. Just like Perplexity or Copilot lets you switch between Claude, GPT, and Gemini for answers, we let you switch between 29 models ranging from text to image, image to image, image editing, and 3D models right in the UI. One click, no code. And here's where it gets interesting. You're not tied to any provider. Run it on fal.ai for speed. Use HuggingFace for cost. Or flip to local GPU mode. The models download automatically and run on your own hardware. Minimal to no API costs. Complete privacy. You can see it in action in this demo. I uploaded an image, edit it using just a prompt, and generate 3D model of it within a couple of minutes. Look, I'm just going to be honest with you. I built this because I got frustrated. Really frustrated. You know that feeling when you have an idea, like you can see the thing in your head and you just want to make it real? That's where I was. I wanted to generate a 3D model of a futuristic car. Nothing crazy, just a sleek concept car I'd been sketching. But instead of creating, I spent 4 hours fighting. 3 different platforms open, API keys that kept expiring, a Python environment that decided to break for no reason. And, here's the kicker, I paid $47 to some closed API that gave me a mesh I couldn't even use commercially. 4 hours for one car. And somewhere around hour 3, staring at another stack trace, I thought, why is this so hard? The AI models are incredible now, seriously. Trellis, FLUX. These open models are matching or beating the closed ones. The technology is there, but the access, it's a mess. You've got 2 options right now. Pay some subscription to a closed platform that treats you like a customer, not a creator, or spend weeks becoming a CUDA dependency management expert. Neither of those is just create the thing in my head. So I built what I wanted, a place where you describe something and it appears, where you can try one model, then switch to another without rewriting anything, where you can run it in the cloud or on your own GPU, your call. I'm not sure if this is the best way to do it, but it's the tool I wished I had that night. And honestly, I hope it saves you from having nights like that too.